Sheraton in downtown Wilmington. They all have a suite. This is the living room area. There's things that are nice about this hotel. I don't know if I'd recommend it. I'm standing at the door when you enter. So to the right, you have a sink, a refrigerator, microwave, a little coffee maker, nice big mirror. The couch pulls out. There's just some odd things. We're on the 16th floor, which is the top floor, and it does have a cool view. There's the TV, which is a little weird because like it's not in front of the couch, so it's an awkward viewing. There's this table that we have no idea what it does, and it didn't seem to actually work. It's a nice sized table, but you only get one chair. And then you have these two little tables. The pull-out couch. That pull-out couch is actually very comfortable. And then the bedroom has these weird doors on it that you can see through. So if you do have somebody you don't know well, there's no privacy between the living room and the bedroom with these doors shut because you can see right through them. So then we had a king. They also have queens with two queens. So this is the bedroom area. That nightstand was nice. There's a TV in here also, and that's positioned okay. It's not directly across, but there's a window also in here. This nightstand was not very user-friendly. I mean, it looks cool, but and then there's a plug there, but no charger things like on the other side. So we weren't crazy about that. The blackout curtains worked well. Then over here, there's no like dresser. There's a couple drawers in that thing. There's this thing that has drawers in it. You could put your luggage on top of that. That was nice. There's another mirror. There's a closet here. There's a safe. Our safe did not work. The bedding for the couch and iron, hairdryer, hangers. So there is a decent closet with storage. And then this is the bathroom. There's some cool things about the bathroom. The sink counter area could be designed a little bit better. There's a lot of wasted space in this hotel. Our favorite thing was the shower. The shower was absolutely fantastic. Very nice shower. So the bathroom's a little small, and you have to come in the bedroom to get to the bathroom if you have someone else staying with you in the living room area. This little thing was really cool. This is a nightlight, and you hit this. Oh my gosh, it's not working there. The nightlight comes on. So that was nice. And the service was good, except we paid for a late checkout, and someone kept opening our door this morning. Other than that, the service was great. It was relatively clean. I'm just not real crazy about the setup. These doors are ridiculous. They might as well not be there. And, we got a couple takeout meals. It would have been nice to have sat at the table and eaten them, but we couldn't because there was only one chair, which also seems ridiculous to me. So, anyway, here we go. I couldn't find any videos of these suites. So all the rooms in this hotel are like this. They either have the queens or the kings, and then there's different views. We paid extra to have the high city view. Anyway, that's it.